base on the news and go and trade, or do you base on insider knowledge, or what?
Usually we don't. News is always in the past. News is always in the past. You know, when we report news, it's already something that happened in the past. When you see in the newspaper, it's already happened a few days ago. You know, so a lot of times what we do, we don't read news. We don't look at all this. What we do is we look at the price. That means the reaction to the news and what happened, the sentiment of the market. So a lot of times news is actually in the past. Yeah. So, for example, you see Lehman Brothers collapse, right? You know, when you saw that Lehman Brothers collapse, most likely you will say, "Hey, I would sell everything." You know? But actually, when the period when Lehman Brothers collapse, that period you bought anything, 6 months later you make money already. So if you follow news, you will have sold everything. You know, but so don't use news.